The coolest thing about this, though, is just all those cool fittings that came off that farm equipment. I think it's cool that you could take something that's destined for scrap and turn it into something that's super cool and useful. Hey guys, today's Dale's Tool of the Day video is on this super sweet belt sander that I built.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's Tool of the Day.
A super sweet belt sander that I built out of a bunch of old farm equipment and some parts I got off of Amazon and whatnot. It's pretty cool. So this is a 2-inch wide by 72-inch belt sander, and it works super good. So, you know, watching Forged in Fire, they have the cool sanders, you know, and I looked and they were super expensive. And I was doing some work for a buddy of mine who's a farmer, and he had some old farm equipment that he wanted to scrap. And he's like, yeah, just put this stuff in your scrap bin, haul this off. And I'm like, okay. And he's like, yeah, all this stuff's just junk. Anyhow, it was this really cool piece of equipment. I'll put a picture of it up here for you guys. But it had these cool cast iron brackets that clamped around these pipe things. And this is a different pipe I had to kind of clean up. Anyhow, this was here in my shop in town, and we got so busy working that I didn't have room for it, so we went out and was in the Quonset that's now my welding shop at my mom's place. And we turned that into my welding shop, and it sat outside for a few years covered in tarps. Well, it got kind of rusty, and it hasn't been treated the best. But it's a cool old thing. Anyhow, this farm equipment, it had these spring brackets that I just welded on for the spring for the arm tension. It had these cool cast iron blocks that held this round pipe to a square shank, and then it had round shanks to round shanks and square shank, all sorts of cool things. So I like it because you can loosen this puppy up and change all your angles and reposition everything and move it in and out and all sorts of different stuff, so you can configure it however you want. And I thought that was just too neat. When I saw that piece of farm equipment, I was like, light bulb. I saw a piece of farm equipment and saw a belt sander. Maybe that's a little crazy, but it used to sit on my workbench over here in the corner, so I had it sitting on this little disc, was the base of it, and that worked pretty good. But then I needed the space on that workbench, so I kind of just welded a little stand under it to kind of make it its own little standalone sort of a deal. But I use this here motor. So it's got a 2 horsepower motor, and you know, I thought about putting a fancy VFD drive and stuff on it, but instead I just got a multi-pulley V-belt pulley. And yet again, I've got this cool bracket mounted on here where I can loosen all that up and slide it around, you know. I thought it was super cool that on this old farm equipment that some of the nuts were still square. You don't see a lot of square nuts nowadays on stuff. It's all hex nuts. Super cool and old school. I think that this was off of a John Deere implement. So it's all green, and it had this little handle thing on something. I'm like, oh, that'll work perfect for my tensioner. It's super awesome. I just bought this wheel kit off of Amazon, and then I bought a bunch of accessories for it. Since I have this cool bracket here, I could clamp all sorts of different, you know, anything with this size round stock on there. I got this great big wheel that fits on there that'll run around the belt. And since it's all adjustable, you can loosen everything up and tighten it. And that's pretty cool, because then it's like a big old belt grinder, you know. Sometimes a round wheel's handy. And then I got different size wheels that go on the same shaft. And they got heavy duty bearings, and they're pretty cool. And then I got this little guy. And what it does, yet again, you can just clamp it in there, and it's got a roller wheel that fits in here. It's on a little bearing, slides in. Well, I can clamp that on there, and it's got different size wheels. I got those wheels. I've got a whole bunch of wheels here. Like I said, they sat outside and got a little rusty, but they still little WD-40. Maybe I need to hop on Amazon and order some new ones of these. But it still worked last time I tried. I haven't been using this a whole lot because I haven't had my knife forging area all set up, and that's kind of what this is dedicated for. I mean, it works good. I've got the little sanders now that I've been using to build a go-kart. project that we're working on. But this thing works good. The coolest thing about this, though, is just all those cool fittings that came off that farm equipment. I think it's cool that you could take something that's destined for scrap and turn it into something that's super cool and useful. Well, this has been Dale's Tool of the Day video. Love you guys. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.